Good morning, everybody. This is Galiko from TopMac IT Solutions, and today I have a staggering news for you. I'm super excited about it. I've been waiting for this moment for the past year and a half, and now it comes into play. Today, we are going to start our phase of rebranding our company. We're also changing our name. We are going from TopMac IT Solutions to Apollo IT Services. Our story is we've been out for 6 years now. We started as a small Apple computers, Mac repair shop, and we just pretty fast grew out of that. We do a lot of hybrid now, Mac and PC, lots of Windows servers, and in the past 2 years, we put a lot of emphasis on cybersecurity and protecting our clients and preventing cyber breach. Okay, to encompass all these changes and the additional services that we're going to offer future-wise and to already encompass into our current services, we decided it's time to change our name, and the name we chose is Apollo IT Services. I just like the name, so don't ask me why this name. I just decided it's a good name, and I just went with that. We felt that the top Mac just a little bit limiting here. People think that we do just Mac or Apple computers, and it's actually incorrect. We're currently 60% Windows or Microsoft environment and 40% Mac, so we do a lot of hybrid, and we are very happy about that. But going forward, the Apollo IT Services, we're going to present and show new additional services like backup disaster recovery, on-site, different security appliances. We're going to expand our line of portfolio product, of course, and cloud services. We are moving more and more into the cloud going wise. And in the next one, say 2-3 weeks, you're going to start seeing our new logo. Our new website just went up a couple of weeks ago. We just finished the small tweaks on that. I'm so stoked about it. This is absolutely nuts. Like, I'm so happy, like from the old site to the new site, completely new platform. So it's a new us, I want to say, right? So this is it. That's going to be my last video as a TopMac IT Solutions, and going forward, we're going to be Apollo IT Services. I'm going to add a link to our new website. I'm going to show you our new logo also. Guys, we are the same people that started the company, the same people that serve you. We just now do a lot more, and we put a lot of emphasis on cybersecurity. But in the back end, we're still the same nicest people behind the scene. So if you have any questions, concerns, you want to know how we chose the name, stuff like that, don't ask me again. Give us a holler. We'll be here for you, and we'll always be here to help you and help protect you from the outside world. So again, this is Galiko from Apollo IT Services. Have a wonderful week, and please be safe.